At Special Foundation, we have a program that is designed and centered as renovating dilapidated buildings to make sure that children have a safe and secured structure to sit, learn, and relearn. Presently, I'm at Primary School, Ikoyi, and behind me is the Oasis library.
It wasn't what we expected. Our first and major challenge was the termite infestation. When we came, we had sightings on the wall, on the floor, but when we opened the roof, oh my God, we had to sit back and actually reanalyze how we're going to go about it, because even the carpenters that came to work did not expect that it was something we're going to battle with. Along the line of work, we found out that the walls itself was something else to write about. We had talks with the principals and the teachers. Their major complaints was they were having issues with snakes, big lizards, and all those unnecessary rodents. You have rats and grass cutters. If you can see by my back, the windows don't have nets. So we proposed to have the Boko Haram nets. That's the local name we call it. It's twice as tough as your regular net, and that was going to be safety precautions from snakes, the rodents, and the rest come into the library space. We can't have that affecting the children.
So far, so good. We are also working on the toilets for the children. We are also going to ensure that the walls are properly painted and there will be murals on the wall as well. Our goal is to ensure that this library is conducive for the children to come in, read, learn, and have fun as well. I'd like to say a very big thank you to all our partners. We really appreciate you. We look forward to seeing the outcome of this renovation project.